Hello everyone, this is Sudhir. Welcome back to my class. In this class, I am going to explain you the District Common Examination Board West Godavari Elur paper. So this is the time to refer the different model papers, and maybe if you can find the different questions in that, just you need to focus on the model questions. Okay? Yes, the section number 1. This is for 1 mark questions. The first question, AEIOU. So 5 elements are there here. 5 elements are there. Then number of subsets of A. So what's the concept we should follow there? 2 to the power of n formula we should take. 2 to the power of n. Okay. That means here we have 5 elements in that. AEIOU is the 5 element. 2 power 5. So which is equal to 5 times we write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. That means these are 32 subsets we can get. So option B is the answer for this question. So we write here B. Next one, if A subset B, then A union B equal to B. Is it true or false? So if you have any doubt regarding this question, so what you do is just you take here like A subset B means just I am going to take set A equal to 1, 2, set B equal to 1, 2, 3. So because this is right 1, 2, 3. Now in this case it is A subset B because all the elements of A are in B. If you find A union B for this, you will get 1, 2, 3 which is equal to again B. Okay, so that it is true. The next question is Venn diagram has given. The Venn diagram shaded part represents. So what is that? N and M given, right? So M minus N it is M minus N because you have practiced many times what is B minus A Venn diagram. Okay, don't get any confused. It is nothing but B minus A Venn diagram. That is here M minus N Venn diagram. Okay, option D for this. Question number 4. 0 of 3x minus 2 is minus 2 by 3. So 0 means how to find out that you take like 3x minus 2 which is equal to 0. Then 3x is equal to 2, x equal to 2 by 3, not minus 2 by 3. Okay, so that this is false. And x power 4, x square plus 16 is minus 4. 0 of x square plus 16 minus 4. Yeah, we need to substitute minus 4 whole square. Okay, in the place of x minus 4 I have taken 16 minus 4 square is 16 plus 16, 16 plus 16 32 but not equal to 0. So that this one also false statement. So here right answer is P false, Q false. Option B. The next one is 5th question. Choose the correct option in this. The volume of cone 1 by 3 pi square h. Volume of cylinder pi square h. Volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi cube. Okay, so this is the matching. Volume of cone 1 by 3 pi square h. Volume of cylinder pi square h. And volume of volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi cube. Right. The next one. Sum of zeros of the polynomial representing in the graph. So the graph is intersected at, you can observe here, the graph is intersected at, not intersected, touched at this point, that is 2. Okay, 2 means 2 equal zeros we have there, that is alpha equal to 2 and beta also 2. Sum of the 0 means alpha plus beta here, that equal to 2 plus 2 which is equal to 4. So option B for this. The next question is in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees and AC square is equal to 2BC square, then angle A equal to, okay, just we need to draw the rough figure for this question. I'm going to draw a rough figure, that is a rectangle. Okay, this is A, this is B, sorry, this is here not B, right angle they gave B. Okay, this is B and this is C, right? So that AC square is equal to AB square, 2 times of BC square means then the 2 sides are equal. This is 90 degrees. When the 2 sides are equal, then you can find out here these 2 angles, the equal side opposite angles are equal. So in a triangle we have the sum of the 3 angles are equal to 180 degrees. Okay, in a triangle the sum of the three angles are equal to 180 degrees. Here I will show that is like angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degrees. In this problem we don't know what is angle A, but angle B they give 90 degrees plus angle C equal to 180. But in the problem there the two sides are equal. Two sides are equal mean angle A equal to angle C, right? Angle A equal to angle C. You can observe here what the two sides they gave equal. AB equal to BC. AB opposite we have angle C, BC opposite we have angle A. So that angle A equal to angle C, which is equal to, you can take as X. So in place of here we take now X plus 90 plus angle C again X degrees is equal to 180. Then X plus X is equal to we have 2X plus 90 equal to 180. Then 2X is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90. X is equal to 90 by 2, 45 degrees. Okay, so the answer for this 45 degrees. Here we write 45 degrees. Next one. From the figure A equal to, so many times I discussed with you in a right triangle, so this side equal to the square of this side equal to product of these two. Okay, these two, that means here I am going to show again that A square equal to, you will get 9 into 16, right? A square equal to, from the figure A square equal to 9 into 16. How A square equal to 9 into 16 mean? You can take like you can revise chapter number 8, exercise 8.4, question number 4. Question number 4, then you can get a complete clarity about it, because of it is a half mark question, just a technique I am giving you. So to find the A square in that figure, because see in a right triangle, just briefly I will explain how to get that. ABC, okay, angle B 90 degrees, something we have a perpendicular line like this. Okay, now in this problem what AB square you will get here? AB square equal to, so you can refer why AB square equal to this. So AB square is the common side of the two triangles. For example, if you take this one D, then AB square equal to will get AD into this one, AD into AC, you will get it, AD into AC. By taking the similar triangles, sides are proportional, then we will get like this. So you can refer this point in the Pythagoras theorem also. And next, this BC square equal to, this BC square equal to, this BC is a common side of this CD, because of the common side of ADB, ABC triangle and BDC triangle. Okay, so that we get CD into AC, CD into AC. But they ask it now like BD. For example, from the figure, what is BD square? This BD square is a common side of the two triangles here. That means this triangle this side and this triangle this side. What is that? AD into DC. Okay, so same logic I followed here. Here they gave like A and this is like 9 and 16. So that I have taken A square is equal to 9 into 16. Then what I get here, A equal to root of this 9 16s are 144. So root of 144 is equal to 12. So the answer is 12 for this question. Option D. Okay. Number of independent linear equations required to get a unique solution for two variables. Number of independent linear equation required to get unique solution for two variables. Generally, linear equation with one variable, you see here, for suppose like 2x minus 4 equal to 0, it's a linear equation with one variable. You will have a 1 0 for this. Okay, 4 by 2 equal to 2, you get one solution. With one variable, one solution. When you are taking two solutions like x plus 4y is equal to 5, it's a linear equation with the two variable, only a single linear equation with the two variable. So here you have infinite many solution. That is one of the important question, infinite many solution. But when you have two linear equations like x plus 4y and another one I'm going to take 4x plus 2y equal to 6 or something, then in these situations you need to find out the relation like a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If you check this condition is satisfied for the two linear equation, then it has unique solution. That means how many equations we require here? Two equations. Okay, so the answer here, number of independent linear equations required to get unique solutions for the two variable is 2. Cosecant 90 degrees. Cosecant 90 is nothing but that is the reciprocal of sine 90. You know what is the sine 90? Sine 90 is 1, then the cosecant 90 also you will get 1. Right? Next one. If sine x is equal to cos y, then x plus y. So you know very well that one problem is there from 11.3 exercise, that is sine a is equal to cos b. Then prove that a plus b is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? So same concept this one also. So if sine x is equal to cos y, then this x plus y is equal to, you will get 90 degrees. So in the adjacent figure, what is theta? So these two are the alternate angles. This one and this one alternate angles. So theta equal to 60 degrees. So this is 1 mark questions. Now we'll discuss what are the 2 mark questions here. So a equal to x such that x plus 5 equal to 5 is not empty set y. Yes, you can see here x plus 5 equal to 5, x is equal to 5 plus 5 becomes minus 5, which is equal to 0. So 0 is an element. So 0 set a equal to, now you will get 0 in the roster form. This is the roster form of the given this set. So 0 is an element. So then how can you take it as empty set? Right? So it is not an empty set. So angle of elevation, that the definition you know very well. If the line of the sight is above the horizontal line. If the line of the sight is above the horizontal line, the angle will form there. It is angle of elevation, right? And the next question number 15, a direct question from the textbook. So coefficient of x power 5. X power 5 coefficient here minus 3. Generally most of the students will write only 3. No, that is wrong. Minus 3 is the answer. And the degree of p of x, that is the highest power, you can see here 7. Okay. P of t is equal to t power 4 minus 15. Then calculate p of 2. That means in the place of t, you can substitute 2 here. That is 2 power 4 minus 15. 2 power 4 is 16, right? That means 2 you write 4 times, like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 minus 15. 16 minus 15, which is equal to 1. Next, converse of Pythagoras theorem. So you know what is a statement. Only statement is enough. Only statement. State they give, only statement is enough. No need to write the proof. Next one. From the given figure, value of tan theta and secant theta. So tan theta means opposite by adjacent. So that we write here tan theta is equal to, opposite is 1 and adjacent is root 3. Okay. And another they asked is secant theta. Secant theta is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 2 and adjacent is 3. 2 by root 3. Okay. Question number 19. Which of the following are not linear equation? State the reason. Yes, this is not a linear equation. This is a linear equation because it has one variable. The degree is 1 of the equation. But in this second one, the degree is 2, so that it is not a linear equation, that is quadratic equation. The reason, degree. In the first one is why it is linear equation, because the degree of the equation is 1. Second question, why it is not a linear equation, because degree of the equation is 2. Okay, linear equation means degree of the equation we should get 1. The next question, write the formula to calculate lateral surface area and the total surface area of the right prism. Okay, this is some different question. So lateral surface area, LSA, lateral surface area of prism is, this is PH. P mean area of the, P means perimeter, right? So you can write here what is P, since P is perimeter. H is height. H is height. Next one, total surface area we need to take, TSA. Total surface area of prism. This one, EH plus 2 times of base area. That means how we write in the short form, PH plus the base area we can take as capital B, 2B. Okay, so most of the student we don't know, I think so, this formula, so very important according to the syllabus. So learning this formula very well. Now, so this is the 2 mark questions. Now we'll discuss what are the 4 marks are there. So write the given set builder forms of -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, yes, completely integer direct question this one. So refer from the textbook the problem, and 2, 4, 8, 16, that means 2 power n. So you know what is the concept, how to write that. So x such that x is equal to 2 power n. So 2 power n, and n belongs to natural number capital N, n less than or equal to 4. So like that we write. So these all are the direct textbook questions, you can refer that. Okay. Next one, many times we have discussed this one, how to write the zeros of the, you see, this problem we have discussed in many model papers. So if you write the polynomial with the zeros 2 and -1/3, many model paper we have seen the same question. So you can understand how much important is the with the same number like 2 and -1/3. So practice very well. So next question, series want 2 notebooks and 3 pens for 90 rupees. That means if the books X and the pens Y, then we write 2x plus 3y is equal to 90. Okay, and Lakshmi bought 4 notebooks and 5 pens for 140. So 4 notebooks are 4x plus 5 pens are 5y is equal to 140. So from linear equations for the given situations to find the cost of a pen and a notebook. So don't write like this directly, but you would write what is x and what is y. Okay, so x means let notebooks equal to x and let pens is equal to y, and then you can proceed this. And write of 24 meters long attached to vertical pole of the height 18 meters and has a stack attached here. So this is the problem from 8.4 exercises. You can refer this question from 8.4 exercises. Okay, using Pythagoras theorem concept, right? Sorry, this is yeah, we will discuss this problem because just model I will explain. You can focus here. Wire of 24 meters long attached to the vertical pole. This is the vertical pole. It's a ground level. Okay, the wire is 20 feet long. The height of the pole is 18 meters here. Okay, and has the stack attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stack be driven so that the wire will be that? That means this distance you have to find using Pythagoras theorem. The next, state and prove. State and prove for 4 marks given Bhautayana theorem. That means Pythagoras theorem given for 4 marks. So practice very well, important question. The next question is tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18. Find the value of a. You know very well this problem, routine problem, and this one also routine problem. This anytime I told you how to draw this figure, right, from application of trigonometry, but given for 4 mark questions. So practice well. Just roughly I will show you how to draw this one again. So Ramu observes a flower on the ground from the balcony. So if the balcony is here and you can take this is the balcony height and it's a ground, and Ramu is observed here like this. Okay, the flower position is C, Ramu position is A, and B. At B we have 90 degrees. The angle of depression is alpha they gave here. See, angle of depression given alpha, and height they gave h meters. So h here alpha mean, and here also we get alpha because vertical opposite. This is called alternate angles, right? So this is the figure, but step by step procedure you write. Many model papers I have discussed this one, how to write this one. And here is the last section, very important section, that is 8 mark questions. So in this section we have 5 questions, 5 8s are 40, and each section, each Roman we have internal choice. So you can see on my screen the first question, it is from sets. So this model question we have in the textbook. So please refer from the textbook this model. That is, natural number mean you write like 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Even numbers you write like 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. Odd number you write like 1, 3, 5, 7, so on. And prime numbers you write 2, 3, 5, 7, so on. So for that you can find A minus B, B intersection B, A minus C, and B union C. So when you are writing from set builder form to roster form, if you do a small mistake, the total problem, okay, you will get the wrong answers and then total marks you will lose. It's very dangerous, and be careful while you are writing from set builder form to roster form. Next, question number 29, choice question also given from the sets. Draw the Venn diagram of A intersection B and A minus B. You know very well how to draw that. And next, the question is write all the subset of A, B, C, D. Total we will get 16 subset for that. That null set, set A, set B, set C, set D. So like the total we will get 16 subset for that, right? And the next question number 30 is here, x square plus x minus 6. So this is the graph, okay? So you know how to draw the graph, and as well as you see in the from the same Roman they give again one more question is a choice, that is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So this model is very important. So what we do in this problem, so after doing the factorization you should find what is the zeros of the polynomial, and the zeros you take like alpha and the beta. So sum of the zeros and the product of the zeros we should find, and their relation like alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta equal to c by a. So this model we should do it. So if you have any doubt about this graph or this model problem, these same problems are explained in the another videos. That video link is available in the description, so you can check it. Next one, question number 31, construction. Yes, this construction also is available in the description, so check it. Important model, this construction. Next, to prove that the 3 times of a square of any side of an equilateral triangle is equal to 4 times the square of the altitude. So this one also exercise 8.4 question number 3. Yes, question number 3. So prepare well this question. And next to 32, yes, it is routine problem, many model paper you have seen this. Even question number 32, the choice problem also, find the length of the chord which making 60 degrees angle with the center of the circle whose radius 6 centimeters again. So same model again we have in that example 5 from the trigonometry. So refer that example 5 from the trigonometry, very important model. Write appropriate formulas for finding the situation. So what they gave here, some situations are given. For these formulas we should write that. For example, cloth required for, so it's a spelling mistake, so it's a cloth required for cone shaped tent. Cone shaped tent means for that it is area, right? We need to find the area there. Cone shaped tent means area we need to find. So area of surface area, that means curved surface area, then we can get pi RL. Next, capacity of the cylindrical tank. Capacity of a cylindrical tank, that is volume we should find there. Volume of a cylinder, that is V equal to pi r square H. Next, soil required to make brick. Soil required to make brick. Yes, this one also volume of cuboid, V is equal to LBH. Next one, lateral surface area of a dice. Dice lateral surface area mean LSA of die is in the shape of a cube. So we take here surface area V equal to 4a square. Okay. Next one, it is observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from top of a building is 60 degrees, and from the same place the angle of the depression of the foot of the tower 45 degrees. So find the distance the distance between the tower and the building on the ground is 7 meters. Draw the diagram for the above data and describe it. So don't forget they gave and describe it. That means we have to draw the figure first. So I will explain you how to draw that. First you take a ground here like this. It's a ground. Okay, now here I'm going to draw the tower. It's a tower. Okay, height of a tower, and that opposite side here I'm taking a building. Yes, this is the building. Okay, right. So green color is the building, red color is a tower. So you can name them like this is something like A, B is the height of the tower. Okay, CD is the height of the building. The distance between the building and the tower is, they gave 7 meters, so that here I'm writing 7 meters. Now I should write there like so one straight line we have to draw. This is called the horizontal line, you know very well about it. Next they gave angle of, you can see the question now. What is that? It is observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from top of the building, top of the tower from top of the building mean like this. Yeah, this is the angle of elevation they gave. It is 60 degrees, so we should write here it is 60 degrees. Yes, this is 60 degrees. Okay, and from the same place the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 45 degrees. Angle of depression from the foot of the tower. Once again, the angle of the depression of foot of the tower from where it is, from the same place, means from here. The angle of depression, I'm taking the green in color like this. Okay, this one. This is 45 degrees they gave. Okay, it is 45 degrees. So that this one also we get 45 degrees. Okay, so this is the total figure. But they are asking you to draw a figure for the above data and describe it. Describe means what is AB, what is CD, what is BD from the figure, what is angle of elevation, what is angle of depression. These all points we have to write step by step. Okay, so for example, AB is the height of the tower and CD is the height of the building. Okay, so distance between the foot of the tower and the foot of the building is BD equal to 7 meters. Given the angle of elevation from the top of the building to top of the tower is 60 degrees, that is angle what we take, it is something like ACE. Okay, so like that angle of depression, about angle of depression also we write. So this is the total description of the problem. Okay, so very easy way for this one also. I hope you understood the total complete concept what we have discussed today. So in these problems, if you don't know any question, just practice the problems many times, right? So with another model paper, we'll meet in the next video. So this is Sudeep. Thanks for watching. See you soon.